Today I'm going to show you my version of the Diana steak, and for that we are going to need beef, remove the fat of it, salt and black pepper, butter, shallot or onion, fresh parsley, minced garlic, mushroom, meat broth, Worcester sauce, cooking cream, olive oil, brandy, and Djon mustard. Once we have removed the fat from the meat, season each side of the steaks with salt and black pepper. Now, in a very hot pan, we are going to seal them. When the meat is sealed, half cooked, add the butter, and a little bit of olive oil. As always, try and cook by eye, but if you have any doubt with the quantities, check the video description. Then cook the onion. Incorporate the garlic and fry. In this moment, pour the brandy and light it up to evaporate the alcohol. Immediately put the mushroom in and cook. Pour in Worcester sauce, Djon mustard, and the meat broth.
Y ahora le ponemos el
Cook for about 5 minutes and add the cream.
Le pones la crema de leche. Deja que se integre bien, que se caliente un poco.
When it is hot,
Ya está caliente.
reincorporate the steak to the pan and
Y termino
let the sauce reduce. As soon as the sauce has thickened, spread some fresh parsley and serve.
Aquí le pones un poquito de perejil.
And that's it. This is my version of the Diana steak.